Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. Uh, this is Nurulum. Welcome back to my English channel, English Habit. So let's get started. Our topic. This topic is very important because every beginner learner that is face. Okay, so that's why I record this video. So this topic name or I will share how to describe any object. Okay, first time or beginner learner first time cannot how to describe any object, so that's why uh, I will uh, share my experience. Okay, so let's get started. Like first time uh, this is a pen. Okay, uh, the pen is color, I don't know this color name. Okay, um, suppose this color, the pen is color green. Okay, and uh, uh, and uh, this pen made is plastic, right? This pen made is plastic, and uh, the price pen is uh, 10 taka. Okay, and and there are different type of pens like uh, ball ballpoint paint, ball pen paint. Okay, and gel paint, and uh, multicolor pens, right? And this pen these pens available stationery shop, right? Okay, uh, that's it, enough. Okay, and like this is follower. Okay, and this follower name rose, and this color uh, like red. Okay, and uh, this follower available garden. Okay, and this color is very uh, good smell, and it is nice. Okay, so that is actually any object first time describe. Okay, right or wrong doesn't matter, but uh, you try your best. Okay, I don't know what I say. Okay, but I am trying how to describe any object. uh, Four or five uh, topic just describe. Okay, like this is made of, this is available, and this color. Okay, and uh, mm, purpose. Okay, like price, like type. 4 or 5 things just describe. Okay, so I hope uh, okay, so I hope you learned something this video. I want to just only one things: everyday practice, because practice makes a man perfect. Okay, I tell you only just one sentence. 1 month ago I cannot speak. Okay, I cannot how to describe any object, but right now I am here, I am trying best, and every day I practice, so that's enough. Okay, English is not hard, English is a very easier, just everyday consistency make. Okay, uh, so I hope inshallah you will be your best try, and I believe that inshallah you will be a success fluent speaker. I believe it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Next, see you soon, and tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.